This is new. This is true real-time operational control in public safety. This is Axon Respond. Axon Respond harnesses the power of the entire Axon network. It connects live streaming body cams, in-car cameras, and drones, light bar and weapon deployment signals, live maps with the locations of officers on foot. With all this real-time information coming in, Axon Respond gives everyone a common operating picture, providing situational awareness for dispatchers, patrol officers, and supervisors alike. Axon Respond also provides a modern communications platform that streamlines how teams collaborate. It starts with a smart user interface, designed from the ground up to be faster, more intuitive, accessible on any device, anywhere, and it's built to evolve and expand as new technologies come online. Legacy systems are a thing of the past. With Axon Respond, you'll always have the latest capabilities. Put the power of the Axon network to work for your agency. Get the complete picture and act in real time, so everyone gets home safe. That's the promise of Axon Respond.